Well, hi everyone, this is my review of Army Painter's Fanatic Paint Starter Set. 11 bottles and some extras, and I think it's great. I like the Army Painter brand. They always well packaged, well designed, well planned, and lots of extras and material that goes with them. So let's dive in deep. As I say, there's a lot of paints in their range. I believe there's 216 if you see the set there, and this starter set has got some clever inclusions which makes it great. If you gave this to somebody as a present when they opened it, they'd be right to go straight away, because let's go into it. They have a paintbrush in there as well. It's not huge, it's quite a fine one, but useful for any figures. So if you're doing D&D, doing Warhammer for instance, or doing historical figures, that would be a really useful size for you. The other inclusion, which I thought was quite clever, there is a miniature in here. So if you don't have any figurines to start painting, you can crack on straight away with that one. The other thing that I thought was clever, of the two bottles in the set, I just have to find them now, we have got some primer. There's a punnet of brush-on primer, and this is what you put on your figurine before you start painting. And plastic or resin is somewhat hard. Some of the paint colors don't go onto it as well as they should. So putting a layer of primer on first and letting that dry helps the paint stay there. So having that primer is a very clever idea. Well done, Army Painter. The other inclusion that some other starter sets don't have, it's got a wash in there as well. This is a strong tone wash. Once you've finished your painting, you might like to put wash over some of the areas, and it just darkens the deeper recesses, and it really takes your painting to a next level. People go, oh, that was clever. So great way to start playing around with washes. Once you learn how to use a wash, you might want to get a larger set of different ones, but this is a great way to start. The other inclusion here, each of the 11 little bottles has some mixing bowls already in there. You do want to give these a good shake before you start, so put your hands over the top just in case the lid's a bit loose, and give it a good shake. And this spreads the particles or the pigments that are inside the bottle well before you start using them. So I thought that was clever for those two things to be in there. You also get a specialty paint, which is the brown color, leather brown. If you're doing historicals or fantasy, you do use a lot of browns. So this is leather brown. So for boots and belts and big straps, etc., you use a lot of that, or for bags, etc., leather brown. Great to have in there. There's also two metallics, which is a gold color, we all like that, and a plate mail for armor and helmets and some of the weaponry, you might be wanting to use that silver. That's great. Also, of course, you would have some basic black and a white, or a white and a black, I should say, and you go through lots of that. And then, of course, you have your basic colors to go with that. So we've got a fine yellow, we've got a blue, it's an ultramarine blue, a nice red color there, and a green. So essentially everything you need to get going. The other thing that comes in the set, which I always like, I've got lots of these hanging around now, is their painting guide. This has been fairly recently updated. I think it's about 30 pages now. Now, obviously, it's a promotion for Army Painter and what they sell, but there are a lot of tutorials. It tells you how to put the primer on. It tells you how to use the wash. It goes through about their speed paint range and also the Fanatic range. So lots of little tips on how to paint. So if you are a beginner, this is great, but even a more experienced painter, you will learn some things from that. Fanatic range comes in a lot of different starter sets, but I can assure you, just because this is aimed at beginners, it is a really good set. I think you will like it as much as I do. So there we go, Army Painter Fanatic Starter Set. This is the 11 bottle starter set.